Superryan.
Hi.
What's up, Ryan? How you feeling today?
Happy.
You feeling happy?
Yeah.
Why are you feeling happy?
Wait. Yeah, I'm your surprise. Cheers!
Oh, what is it?
I'll make you do.
It's a RC Turbo Trick Ricky. Wow, that is so cool, Ryan. We got some blocks too. We're gonna play with Ricky and the blocks. Wow. Are you ready for the unboxing?
This is baby Ricky. This is baby.
Where's Ryan? Ryan, where are you?
Yeah!
Hey, what's up, buddy? So what are we gonna do?
Hey, Daddy.
What's up?
We're gonna do magic.
You gonna do magic?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do magic. Let's do magic. Okay, so we're gonna do magic, right? We're gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! So that's magic, Ryan.
Nope.
Let's have fun with Ricky Zoom. Okay, ready, Ricky? Ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
The RC Turbo Trick Ricky.
Let's try this one.
Ricky to the rescue! Yay! Go, Ricky!
I got him.
Whoa. Ricky to the rescue!
There's one more there.
Whoa!
What was that?
Oh, that was cool.
That was a jump?
Yeah.
The block jump?
Go, Ricky.
Did the block jump?
Yeah, it flew away. Whoa!
I hit one. Why turning?
Good job, Ricky.
No.
Woo! Yeah! Look at that, Ryan! Spin, Ricky!
I'm easy.
You're dizzy, Ricky. Ricky Zoom. Whoa! You okay, Ricky? I'm super happy. I'm playing with Ryan.
Oh,
Let's zoom out.
this is a big tower Blippi.
That's a Blippi tower.
It's small.
Ready?
It's too small.
Go, Ryan.
It's too small. It's too small.
Yeah, it's small. Whoa! Good job. Ricky to the rescue. Oh, do that again, Ryan.
No gas.
Do that again, up and down.
No gas.
Yeah.
Put some gas. I don't have no gas. I don't have no gas. Look.
Put some gas. Good job. Go, Ricky. Whoa! Whoa! Go, Ricky. Superpowers, Ricky. Whoa! I like that, Ryan. It goes up. Oh! Circles, Ryan. Do the circles. Whoa! Oh, I'm dizzy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh no! Oh no, Ricky! Okay, Ricky. So the challenge, you gotta drop these blocks, okay, Ryan?
Whoa.
Are you ready?
That's a big tower.
Okay, but you gotta do it from far away. All the way over here.
Why?
That's the challenge. Okay, ready? Go! Whoa! Good job, Ricky! Good job, Ryan! Good. Whoa, look at that! That's so cool. So now you gotta jump those ones, right?
That's not.
Back, move it back. Ready? Whoa! You got 2 more rows. Move it back. Ready?
Yeah.
Go! Whoa!
Wait.
What, Ryan? What
Look.
happened? Whoa! So you're gonna drop these blocks again?
Yeah.
You ready?
Look.
What it says there?
Here. It's going to channel.
What channel?
Look.
Who's that? That's you.
Now small there.
You were small. You're big now. How old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old. Hey, you crashing. buddy. Oh, baby. Ready, Ricky?
Yeah.
Let's zoom out, Ricky. Go. Whoa.
Oh, which
You
one?
have this one left.
And that was big or small?
They're big. Come on, Ryan.
Why am I crush one?
Come on, Ricky.
Why am I crush one?
Because Ricky went slow this way. Gotta go super fast, Ryan.
Okay.
Ready? Go! Go, Ryan. Oh, almost.
Oh, he's stuck.
Oh, Ricky, you're stuck, Ricky.
Somebody help me. Yeah, the best. Okay, we're fine.
Wow. Go, Ryan. Whoa, good job, Ricky.
Look.
Go, Ryan. Good job, buddy. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for our next video, right, Ryan?
Look.
What? Wow, that's superpower, Ryan. You want to say something to your friends before we leave?
Look.
Oh, you're strong.
Yeah.
What are you going to say?
Here. Subscribe to the channel.
What channel?
And you, because I love you.
Good job. Finish it.